Welcome to our online class. Subject Social Science, Class 5, Unit 2, Agriculture. So, before going to the chapter, we will see what we are going to learn in this lesson. First, we are going to learn about the futures of agriculture. Next, we are going to learn about the different types of farming and irrigation. The next we are going to learn about the various crops grown in Tamil Nadu. Clear children? Yes. India is an agricultural country. Yes, nearly 1/3 of our nation's income come from the agriculture. So we can say the development of agriculture contributes the economy of our country. Clear children? Yes. Now children, can you tell me what is agriculture? Yes. Agriculture is the art and science of preparing the soil for cultivation, growing crops and raising livestock. Clear children? Again I am repeating. Agriculture is the art and science of preparing the soil for cultivation, growing crops and raising livestock. And nowadays it becomes a necessity for all the human peoples, and it led to the development of the human civilization. Clear children? Yes. And now we'll see farmers in India. So can you tell me who's a farmer? Yes, a farmer is a person who cultivates crops and rear animals. Yes or no children? Yes. So India is a land of farmers. So it is called because of majority of nearly Indians are directly or indirectly involved in the agricultural activities. Yes or no children? Yes. So we can say that agriculture is the backbone of our economy. Clear children? Yes. So another information that is who's called as micro farmers. Farmers who cultivate in an area less than 1 hectare are called micro farmers. Clear children? Again I am repeating. So who is micro farmers? Farmers who cultivate in an area less than 1 hectare are called as the micro farmers. Clear children? Yes. So we can say that there are different types of farming. So there are several types of farming. First one is subsistence farming. Second one is commercial farming. Third one is plantation farming. And the fourth one is a mixed farming. Clear children? Yes. Now we'll see one by one in detail. First one is subsistence farming. So what do you mean by subsistence farming? In the picture you can see crops are cultivated and used only for own family consumption. That is, they are used only for the family. Such type of farming is adopted by small and marginal farmers or fragmented land holdings. So it is handled with the small and marginal farmers. Clear children? Yes, the cultivated crops are usually food crops here, and the method of this farming is generally called as RI. Next we are going to see about commercial farming. This method of farming is usually done with modern techniques, as you have seen in the picture. Here all of you. So this is called as a commercial farming. About the plantation farming. What do you mean by plantation farming? Plantation farming is done in an estate where a single cash crop is cultivated on a large scale. For example, you can say tea, coffee and rubber. you can see in Ooty and Kodaikanal. Yes, children? Yes. Next, we are going to see about the mixed farming. What do you mean by mixed farming? Mixed farming refers to the rearing of animals along with the cultivation. Clear, children? So, there is along with cultivation, rearing of the animal. This type of farming is economical. It is very, very economical. Clear, children? Yes. And now we'll see about the water resources for agriculture. So we can say that there are no perennial rivers in Tamil Nadu because it depends on north, east and southwest monsoon only. So we can say that agriculture in Tamil Nadu is dependent on groundwater. So the Central Groundwater Board, that is CGWB, monitors the level and nature of the groundwater then and there. Okay, children? Yes? And now we have come to the end of the session, children. So after this, what all we have seen in this session today? We have seen about what is agriculture, yes, and we have seen about the special features of it. Then also we saw about the farmers in India. Then we saw about the different types of farming, that is subsistence farming, plantation farming, mixed farming and commercial farming. Then also we saw about the water resources. Yes, so up to this I think everyone are clear with this. So the types of farming is, I think it is very clear to everyone. So please go through the chapters, and the next irrigation we'll see in the next session. Thank you.